So we start out today's video with someone who has very long hair. And she switches things up to this chic little bob haircut style. Absolutely love this look. And she does have some face framing bangs here that really just adds to that bob, giving it more of that layered look. And then we move into the next transformation. She also has rather long hair. And she also got a nice chic shoulder length bob and went darker. Very nice. Two gorgeous low maintenance bobs to start off today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with a color switch up. Oh, I am loving this. Honestly, I'm obsessed because that pop of orange copper tone within the bangs is just so pretty. And I love the overall shape of the haircut that she got. Very cute. And then we have someone doing a DIY. Well, it looks like she's at the salon and she's just kind of cutting the hair herself to start. Obviously, the stylist is gonna probably clean her up and shape her up. And she gets a nice little pixie style haircut. That is a style that is in between the bob and the pixie. Very cute. I love the amount of fullness that she has with this style. And what's great about this particular cut is that you do have a lot of hair that you can play around with. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. Stylist chops the hair off into a bob. Now it almost looks to me like she might have a bit of a pixie haircut with this one as well, or you could also call this a mini bob style. And she does have some face framing bangs to kind of add to the cut as well. Very nice. Her hair looks so much more volumized than it did previously. And then we move into another color transformation. And if you guys have yet to check out my 2024 hair color video, that's out now. But I really like this color combination here. She's got a bit of like a soft bronzy tone going there in the bangs, playing into that money piece highlight trend, and then more of a fuchsia hue pink color going in the back. And then next up we have a full-on makeover. So the stylist measures the hair, very long braid here. and then cuts that braid off. Snip, snip, doing more of a bob with this transformation. So it seems as if like bob haircuts are just continuing to grow in popularity. I feel like they're more popular now than ever. So here we have someone else getting a bob. So there is the inspiration for the cut. And you can tell here her hair is kind of looking limp and just kind of dull. So a bob haircut is really just gonna give her a nice little switch up to something different and new. So she wants something really low maintenance. Like I was saying at the beginning of the video, the two bobs to start were very low maintenance. So if you are looking for something that's a little bit more carefree, a bob would be a great style to get. So the stylist cuts the hair, and bam, beautiful chic tousled bob cut. Wow, she looks gorgeous. Very nice. Next up, it looks like we're gonna have a color transformation here. She's got like some grown out rosy tones going there towards the ends. So the stylist sections the hair off with the foil here, adding in the color. Ooh, looks like she's going with like this really bold blue tone. Now, we've been seeing blue colored hair for the past couple of years. I think I do have a full video kind of talking about the trend. And it never really took off as much as I thought that it would, but it seems to be a look that is remaining strong. So I think over the next couple of years, maybe with a push from TikTok, we'll see even more blue colors circulating around. But it does seem like it would be a really fun color to try out. Oh, she did kind of like an ombre. Actually, this looks more purple to me. Okay, now here it looks a little bit more blue. It's like a blue and purple combination. Wow, so pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.